translation. Yeah.
But like.
Yeah, that would and they won.
Yep. And it's on yours, so it's already it's already activated and everything.
Oh, you did download?
Yeah, and I put in the license and all that, so you're good. Yeah, if you open up your DaVinci and it does not say Studio at the top, you're in the wrong one. Okay. And you might want to uninstall the old one if you can. It might have already done it. Okay, it might have done it already for you, but. Yeah, dude, the Studio actually has a lot. The cool thing too is, remember with our the DJI where we couldn't do H265? You can do that now in DaVinci Studio. So we can do now everything in higher formats than H265, which is nice. Yeah. Alright. 40 seconds. Yo. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Guys, Bitcoin is back over $101,000. So hopefully none of you guys freaked out with that little 4-hour candle that happened yesterday. That was complete market manipulation, but at its finest. Let's go, bro. We already have 34 people in the stream. We literally just started. Let's go. Today's gonna be a good day. We're gonna have some high traffic today on the stream. I love it. Dude, I love I got a new lens. And I love the new like wider shot. You can see my hands, you can see more behind me. Like, I love the wider shot. I think it's so much better. But yeah, good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. The market's doing great. The market's presenting a lot of opportunity. Today, I just want to, if you're not in our Discord, in the Discord, I put my morning Maniac TA in the Discord on 2 coins, XRP and HBAR, and I think both of them are about to rip when this 4-hour close. Not rip, they are presenting entry opportunities, but I think they will rip in the next week. But HBAR and XRP, I really like what they're doing. We're gonna go into it today in today's stream, but if you are not in the Discord, you need to hop in our Discord because I give TA in there before I do on live streams, because live streams I only do Monday, Wednesday, Friday 11, and then Tuesday, Thursday at 9 a.m. And I might go back to 9 a.m. streams across the board, especially when we start doing Monday through Friday. I think I might just go back to 9 a.m. streams across the board because I think the consistency will be better for the audience. And Tuesday, Thursdays, I can only stream at 9 a.m. So I might as well just do it across the board at 9 a.m. And so I think I might go back to doing streams at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And that's actually when I look at my YouTube analytics and other analytics, that's like my highest traffic time. So probably is better across the board to go back to 9. And we might do that next week. Go back to 9 a.m. streams. What do you guys think? If anybody's opposed to that, please let me know. I know we did do a vote and some of you guys voted 11 a.m. and that's why we switched it, but let me know if anybody's really opposed to that or not. But I think it'll be fine. Dude, heck yeah. Almost 40 people now. All right, guys. Man, today I'm still not feeling great. I feel like I have a little bit more energy, but I have like a fat headache. That's like I have congestion and a headache today. That's like what it is, but I think I'm getting a little better. The nice thing is today I'll be able to hopefully rest a little bit. And tomorrow's Saturday. Saturday I'll get to rest too. So that's kind of the nice thing. But good morning, guys. Wait. I just noticed something. Why is the P&L not showing? There we go. Now the P&L is on the screen. Sorry, I just noticed that the P&L is not showing. What? Oh, that's why. Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, dude. HBAR is doing exactly what I want it to. And it's got an hour left on this candle, dude. HBAR is looking mint. Looking mint. Let me change the P&L real fast. I just want to make sure this is all right for you guys. Go to this one. Nah, I want. No. Why is it not going to the right one I want? I hate it when it does this sometimes. Let's see, does that fix it? Nope. All right, let me get it fixed. Let me get this fixed real fast for y'all. Oh my lordy. It's not working. It's not working. There we go. Now it's got it. Now it's got the right screen. Yeah, now it's got the right screen. Okay. Sorry, I wanted to fix that real fast because it had the wrong screen and it was going to mess up the stream. All right, guys, we're at 41 viewers already right off rip when the stream starts. So, guys, one, thank you for being here. And two, if you can, like the stream wherever you are. If you're on X, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, like it, share it, comment on it. Show some love. That is the biggest way you can help support our content. And thank you for being here. I really, really, really do appreciate it. Love having you here. I think right off the bat, we're going to run in and we're going to do some TA on XRP and HBAR because they're the ones doing the most right now that are about to present an entry opportunity. And I want to make sure you guys see that, which we have an hour until we're actually going to maybe enter on this position. Okay. For me, at least, I do my trades. I snipe my entries on 4 hour and then hopefully base the trade on the weekly time frame to day time frame. XRP, I might keep it on the 4 hour because I am a little nervous that XRP could still have a violent like dump because that's just historically what XRP does after a massive pump. But we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. I don't want to put my stop loss too close on XRP if it has some volatility and keeps pushing like it did on Bitcoin yesterday. That stupid wick. I think it's huge. I mean, it didn't get me. My stop loss is based on the weekly time frame, so it didn't get me. But I'm sure it got a lot of people because that wick is just super abnormal. And the only explanation for that's manipulation. Period. That's market manipulation. I mean, a lot of longs got liquidated, and so smart money or big money. I don't know about smart money. I mean, they are smart, but big money wanted to get that liquidity and now is going to push it up. So we're going to look at also I actually added to my Bitcoin position on that wick. I added some more Bitcoin to my position, yeah, I think now big money's going to push up Bitcoin into new all-time highs, breaking 104k Bitcoin, right? Let me make my text a little bigger here. I can barely read it. I have horrible eyesight for people who don't know that. My eyesight is literally terrible. I'm literally legally half blind. Fun fact about Soul Maniac. And yet I'm still outperforming all those people with 20/20 vision. That's stupid. Got him. All right. Let's get into some TA on. We're going to start off with XRP. Okay, right? Is this XRP? We're going to start off with XRP. And I'm going to show you what I showed in the Discord. Okay, so let's start off with some XRP. We are on the daily time frame here. So when you look at XRP, this is my daily fib gold zone right here. My daily Fibonacci gold zone. This morning, this green candle was a bullish engulfing candle, but it looks like it shrunk a little bit. And this daily candle has 4 hours left on it. Or actually 5 hours. 5 hours left on it. I really want to see XRP close with a daily bullish engulfing candle. Okay. Now, price is also popping out of the daily gold zone. So here's the gold zone here on the daily time frame from this price breakout. This big, all these green candles. Price went into the daily gold zone and then bounced out. So that's bullish indicator and another good confluence. This, if you look over here, this big yellow box is the weekly gold zone. So it didn't quite get to our weekly gold zone, but it did tap into our daily gold zone. Okay. Now, if we go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see, let me delete some of these real fast. Cause if you want to ever reference that again, just go into the Discord and I have all those images on the Discord. But if you look at the weekly or 4 hour time frame here on XRP, look at this trend line here, or not trend line, but this pennant formation. Okay. You have this pennant formation here. And look at that pennant formation, and price is broken out. And I think price is about to push up. Now, one thing I'm waiting for before I make the entry on XRP is we're going to zoom in really fast. I want the 9 and the 21 EMA to cross in a bullish divergence here. Right Right there, they crossed in a bearish divergence, which is what we've been waiting for. We wanted that to happen on XRP. Okay, I told you guys that was going to be coming. It came. And now I'm waiting for price to have a bullish divergence over here. I want the 9 and the 21 EMA to cross in a bullish divergence, okay? And then I will enter my position. I will not be entering a position if it does not cross, okay? So earlier, the candle was way higher when I first made my morning Maniac TA. As you can see, it's been pushed back pretty heavily, and it's not as close as it once was, so it could take a little longer, and maybe they cross later today. Let me see if I have alerts on that. I'm gonna add an alert right now on XRP. If you do not use alerts on TradingView, you should. They're a hack, okay? They're not a hack, but they're just very convenient. All right, and we're gonna say, yeah, I do not have an XRP one. We're gonna do this. XRP for our EMA cross, okay? And now that will let me know. So say if it doesn't happen during stream and it happens like later today, I'm on my phone, on my Apple Watch, on my computer, I will get notified everywhere that they crossed and that it's probably an entry opportunity. So earlier XRP looked much better for an entry, but right now it's actually looking like it might take a little longer. So if you're someone looking to enter XRP, I would personally have a little bit more patience. XRP could dump a little bit more before it rips up, okay? But I'm waiting to enter my position on XRP until the 9 and the 21 cross. Personally, I would not recommend entering before that. XRP tends to be very volatile and could fall much further. Even though it broke out of this and we're pushing out of our daily gold zone, I still think it has the potential of touching our weekly gold zone, okay? So if we go to our weekly time frame, oh my gosh, look at that weekly candle. That's not a good candle for a weekly time frame. Let me delete these lines here. Okay. I still think XRP has the potential to come down to our weekly gold zone. Okay. So I'm personally going to be patient because it might hit the weekly gold zone, and that'd be a way better entry opportunity than doing it now and then having price fall all the way down the weekly gold zone. You're going to be in red almost immediately as you open the position. So better to be patient than rush it. There's no reason to rush opening a position. You do not need to be in a position, right? It's better to be patient. Let's look at now. Okay, so now we know XRP. We need to be a little bit more patient. We'll check back in when we get a new 4-hour candle at noon, 12 p.m. EST or PST. Sorry, not EST. 12 p.m. PST, whatever time that is. But it's in about less than an hour, about 45 minutes. And we'll know to check back in and see what the candle looks like on that 4-hour. Now let's check HBAR. HBAR was actually looking really good, and I don't think anything's changed with HBAR, and I think it's actually going to present entry opportunity. Here's why. Okay, HBAR on the daily time frame, okay, or actually weekly time frame. That's even better. That's even more bullish. Okay. Let me do something real fast. I don't want the VWAP on higher time frames. Okay. So weekly time frame. This looks absolutely beautiful. Yeah, HBAR is getting me excited. Okay. So we have this breakout, right? Fib retracement. Price entered our gold zone, and look at that candle bouncing out. Look at that candle bouncing out of the gold zone. Okay. That one confluence on this is actually wrong. This is my weekly gold zone. Sorry. Oh wait, no, we are on the daytime frame. We are in the daytime frame. My bad. We are in the daytime frame. Okay, so daily gold zone looks very, 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 very bullish. Okay, we have structure broken and made higher highs. And if you look, structure broken, a little bit of consolidation, boom, pop off. Consolidation, pop off. So I think this is an entry opportunity. We made a higher low here, and now look at the 4-hour. I'm not entering yet. Okay, I'm not entering in the position yet until this 4-hour candle closes. But here's what I really like about HBAR too. Let me fix our VWAP because for some reason it changed my settings. Okay. Look at this pennant formation on H bar. Okay. That pennant formation there. Price broke out. We have 4 consecutive red 4-hour candles, and then a massive bullish engulfing candle here on the 4-hour, which is actually making a higher high almost. It's getting very close to making a higher high in one candle. So I will be entering on this candle if it holds in the next 45 minutes and doesn't decrease, right? I don't think it will decrease, but honestly, anything can happen. And I will be basing, so sniping my entry on the 4-hour, enter here. Then I'll be going up to the daytime frame. Okay. And I'll be putting my stop loss at these daily lows down here. This red candle bottom wick. And I'll be holding that, and hopefully I don't get stopped out on H bar, but it's looking like it's going to rip and break back up to 0. And I'll put my TP at this 0 line up here, which is right around 40 cents. So we'll see in the next 40 minutes if H bar does indeed finish with a 4-hour bullish engulfing candle. Okay. If you would like to futures trade H bar like I'm going to do, sign up with the BLOFIN link in my bio. Okay. You can sign up right now, no KYC. All you got to do is deposit some USDT in there, and then you can futures trade. Okay. By far my favorite exchange. So if you would like to take part in day trading H bar, XRP, Bitcoin, Solana, Sui, Pepe, ETH, whatever it is, almost pretty much any coin you could probably want to day trade, like a good coin to day trade, it's going to be on BLOFIN. Okay. And every single position you see on the screen right now is on BLOFIN. Okay. I don't use another exchange. I use BLOFIN. And so if you would like to sign up before we get started, right, you have 45 minutes before we start opening positions. You can open an account and get trading. So now these positions opening are not financial advice. I do it as educational purposes, and you can follow it whether or not, but I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. That's first and foremost, not a financial advisor, but I will be showing you live with real money, real positions, real risk, real reward. Nothing is like, I'm not demo trading. Okay. None of this is demo trading. This is all real stuff, real trading. And I do futures trading. My H bar position and XRP position, I'll be using 20x leverage, and I'll be using 20x leverage. I accidentally opened my Sui position with 3x leverage. Super bummed about that. I'll be using 20x leverage on my XRP and H bar positions. When I won't be opening up an XRP position, probably for sure. It does not look like it's going to show an opportunity, but H bar is looking very confident that we will have that opportunity. So I'll be using 20x. Now, if you're an inexperienced trader and maybe this is your first time doing some day trading, doing some leverage, I do not recommend doing 20x leverage. I recommend 5x or less. Okay. If you're starting off, if you're a beginner trader, do not do 20x leverage. Okay. And honestly, I recommend never going over 20x. Like, unless you're trading with very, 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 very small capital, like $10 or less, then maybe go higher. I don't recommend 20x leverage or high. I don't recommend higher than 20x leverage, because you're getting, now there's things that are in play like liquidation zones, your ADL, price volatility swings that can easily get you lose a lot of money very quickly, right? If you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know how to manage your risk, you can lose a lot very quickly. So if you're a beginner and you're still uncomfortable with trading and you're still learning, do not do more than 5x leverage. Okay. Even 5x is kind of a lot. I recommend, if you're really, really new, 2 to 3x. Okay. You'll be able to have a lot more play, lose a lot less money with volatility swings, and it'll be much, much more digestible, and you will not have to worry about getting liquidated. And you do not ever want to get liquidated. Okay. But yeah, go sign up with BLOFIN. If you guys have any questions with day trading, like if anything that I'm saying is like, what are these terms you're using? What are these words? Just shoot them in the chat, and I'd be more than happy to dive deeper in any of the terms like ADL, liquidation, stop loss, take profits, profit management, risk management, all of it. Just drop comments in here. That's the whole point of these streams, is to educate people and teach you guys how to day trade and become profitable like I am. And as you can see on the screen, you can see my profitability that we're doing solid already in December. And November was also a great month, minus my mistake. I accidentally made a mistake that should have never happened, but I accidentally put in a 5 Bitcoin position with like 20x leverage, and it was a complete accident. I meant to put 0.5 Bitcoin in, but I didn't know when you do 0.5 on BLOFIN, it doesn't do 0.5, it just puts in 5. So I got wrecked pretty bad on that. But we recovered. We fixed it. What's Tesla looking like for day trading? Tesla, okay, so is it Nero? To be honest, I don't look at normal stocks. I'm a crypto day trader, so I look at things like Bitcoin, Solana, Sui, Pepe, Ethereum, HBAR, XRP. I look at crypto, so I'm a crypto day trader. Personally, I stay away from stocks, but I personally love Tesla. Like, I love Tesla. I love what Elon builds. I think he makes amazing things. And I think anything, if I were into stocks, I would definitely be, Tesla would probably be like my #1 stock I would love. Yeah, you're welcome, Nero. But I personally love Tesla as a company. And I think the way Elon is now set up with being in a major government position now, I think that's only going to benefit Tesla for the long run. Like, I think it's only going to help Tesla. What pops higher first, Pepe, Chainlink, or Shiba? Oh, that's a good question. Stocks, lore, QBTs, Biddy, all buys. What pops higher first, Pepe, Chainlink, or Shiba? I haven't looked at Chainlink or Shiba, but we can look into that today. I think Pepe, personally, without any information on Chainlink or Shiba, I think Pepe. I have a position open. Pepe's looking pretty good, and it's already in price discovery. So I think Pepe is gonna pop off. It's already broken new all-time highs. It's looking like it's gonna have some more all-time highs break even further. I'm liking Pepe. Chainlink and Shiba, I'd have to look at their charts. I really don't know. I know Chainlink has been getting a lot of traffic in regards to conversations and talks. I think Shiba could run high. Nice. I own Pepe. Want more? Yeah. I don't actually personally own Pepe. I just have contracts open, as you can see on the screen. But I don't actually own any Pepe. I don't hold any spot. I just day trade it with futures. I've never I've never really been a fan of Shiba. I've never been a fan of it. I don't know why. I just never really liked it. Like Shiba and Doge, I've never been a fan. Probably faded it. Probably faded generational wealth, but not a huge fan of Shiba and Doge. Yeah, I think so too. As ETH runs, Pepe will run too. I agree. And and Ethereum broke over 4K today. What is Ethereum at right now? Let's see. Dude, oh my gosh. Look at Ethereum, man. We literally opened up the position at the perfect time. If you faded that ETH position, I'm sorry. But we opened that position up perfectly. It's about to break that high to the left, and it's looking beautiful. It's about to hit my first TP, which is about $4,100. Oh my gosh, look at Ethereum. It's beautiful. That's a 4-hour time frame, man. That's the day time frame. Look at that candle. Oh my gosh. Let's see weekly. Oh, so good. I love this, dude. We literally entered on this candle here with the EMA cross. Boom, boom. 2 weeks of straight massive candles. And we're about to test this previous high, which is my first TP on ETH. And then my next TPs are previous all-time highs up here. So we're about let's see. We are about where's price currently at? We're about that's crazy. We're less than 20% away from all-time high breakout for Ethereum. Less than 20%. That's easy. That's easy. We literally did, let's see, these two candles alone. These two candles alone were 20%. So these two candles alone were 20%. So 20% is going to be super easy. Now, remember this. I did say I'm expecting some correction here on this resistance, okay? I think when Ethereum hits this previous peak here, I think we're going to see some correction. We might see a red weekly candle, and that's fine. Honestly, if we see a red weekly candle, you guys should be paying attention. If you don't have an ETH position open, that could probably be your entry opportunity. And for me, I'll be taking TP up here. And then if we have a red candle, I'll be adding to my position even more, because then we'll push up and push to all-time high. Okay, so if we start seeing red, I actually want that. I want to start seeing red on Ethereum, but I want to first hit my TP and then see some red, and I'll be adding to my position, and then we'll most likely push up further. So I currently have 9 ETH. Right? Is it 9 ETH? Yeah, 9 ETH. I would like to get that over 10 ETH in my position. I would like to get to like 12 to 15 ETH before it hits all-time highs. Ideally, that'd be my goal. ADA chart looks nice too. I haven't looked at ADA. I do want to look at it. Did we look at ADA? I think we did look at ADA. I think that's right. We did look at it, and actually Polkadot I think is way better. I think Polkadot, and I'll show you guys why today. I think Polkadot actually is going to be... Polkadot has so much room for ROI. Chart Shiba and ADA. Okay, I'll chart it today. But dude, look at Ethereum, man. Oh, okay. I'm going to do this first. Before we chart Shiba and ADA, let's look at market conditions as a whole, okay? Let's look at Bitcoin. TA, let's look at market conditions across the entire crypto industry, right? We look at that every morning. And then we'll see, and then we'll go into some TA on Sheeb and ADA. All right. Dude, nice. We're at 56 viewers already, dude. We're getting good traffic this morning. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for the follows. I see we got some follows from CERM, CERM, 717, Jay, and others. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you can, like the stream, comment, share it. We're about to give some good alpha this morning. There's a lot of opportunity in the market happening right now. So don't let your homies miss out on this. All right, let's get into the market conditions. All right. Let's get into some market conditions. Bitcoin ROI. We're going to look at coin market cap. There we go. Okay. So let me zoom in just a tad. Yeah, it's a good zoom in. Oh, that's looking good. All right, quarterly for Q4. We're already sitting at about almost 60% return for Q4. Now, remember, we talked about this in November, but our goal for Q4 is to see 80+% return this Q4, okay? We got about 20% left to go. 20% left to go, and then we'll see 80+% return in Q4. And honestly, I think we will get that this December. I think it'll get us there. So Q4 is looking good. December is already sitting at 4.5% return, and we are only about the first week in. First week is almost over for December, and we're already sitting at 4.5%. Absolutely great. So let's look at weekly returns for December. 4.17% in the first week. Absolutely. I thought this week was actually going to be red. I didn't think this week was going to be green. And so the fact that it's green, I am very happy. I think that shows that December is going to be absolutely killer. The fact that the first week is already over 4%, I think we definitely hit our 40% return goal of December, Bitcoin in December. So I'm very happy with that. Now, next week could be red. It's kind of 50% throw up. But technically, the 50th week is usually a negative, but very, very low. Negative 0.17%. So next week could be a red week, but let's look at 2020. 2020 was green, and 2016 was also green. So I think it's very unlikely it would be red, but there is a possibility it could. But this week already is outperforming my expectations, which gives me high hopes for next week. So Bitcoin is looking good on the regards to the ROI. Bitcoin's looking very good. Now let's go to Bitcoin ETF inflows. Let's see how it was yesterday. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Almost $800 million went into Bitcoin yesterday. That's the highest so far this week. That's the highest so far in the last 7 days. So that is huge inflows yesterday on Bitcoin. I think these ETFs could have had some of that manipulation where they sold off then bought in. I don't know for sure. To be honest, I don't really know how to find that information on who manipulated the market yesterday on Bitcoin, but that 4-hour candle was manipulation. I'm going to show you guys that when we look at it. Once we're done with all this overview, we're going to look at Bitcoin real fast, and we're going to talk about that manipulation that happened yesterday. But $800 million almost, just shy of less than almost 34 mil. Just shy 34 mil of hitting $800 million in ETF inflows yesterday on Bitcoin. And again, if big money like them are buying, guess what we should probably be doing? Buying Bitcoin. Okay, they know what's going on. They're gonna push the market even further. Okay, let's look at crypto as a whole. Okay, fear and greed index. We are in extreme greed. We've gone even higher than yesterday. Yesterday we were sitting at 83. Today we're at 85. Okay, so extreme greed, very, very, very high greed index on the chart, which means we are very, very bullish on the charts. Okay, the risk also means if we're very, very bullish, we could have some volatility that could push us down into greed, right? To put us in like the 70s to 80s. But we'll see. We're watching. We're keeping you guys in the know in the live streams. Okay, fear and greed index. Let's look at market cap as a crypto as a whole. We're almost breaking all-time highs. Okay, we're at 3.7 trillion. The previous all-time high was 3.71 trillion. So we're about 10 billion off from hitting all-time high on crypto market cap. BTC is the trap. BTC will collapse. BTC will go 30K. I don't think so. I would have to disagree with that for sure. We will not see Bitcoin hit 30K for a very long time. And I can show you why I believe that, but that will not happen. Now I could see us maybe falling, like if there was extreme volatilities, maybe 70s, but I don't even think that would happen. And I could show you why I believe that. We've done deep technical analysis on the historical price movement of Bitcoin during bull runs, but we're not seeing 30K, that's for sure. Yeah, so we got almost new all-time highs for crypto market cap, sitting at 3.7 trillion. Did we just hit 3.71? Are we at 3.71 now? We might be hitting. Yeah, we're about to break all-time high for crypto market cap. BTC is almost done now. No, BTC is not almost done. BTC honestly could run. I mean, some of the higher ones, say Bitcoin can go to 500K this next bull run in 2025. But my conservative is, I think Bitcoin this month, my prediction is 140K. Bitcoin's not done. I'll tell you that. There's nothing indicating that Bitcoin is done. All right. Market cap is looking good. We're about to break all-time highs for Bitcoin or crypto market cap, not Bitcoin, crypto. Bitcoin just broke $2 trillion market cap. Okay, I don't think it's ever broken 2 trillion. Yep, it's broken new all-time highs, I think, for market cap. Oh, nope. 2.01 trillion was its previous market cap. We are almost breaking new all-time highs for Bitcoin market cap. Okay, we would need to break $2.01 trillion. Okay, we're very close. We're very, very close. We're at $2.009 trillion dollars, and we would need about $0.001 trillion dollar add-on, which is 1 billion. So that's nothing. If you look back over here on CoinMarketCap, when we looked at Bitcoin ETFs, they have, or crypto ETFs in whole, so that's Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have $1.17 billion alone, with Bitcoin hitting December 4th, $747 million. So we'll break new all-time highs for Bitcoin very soon in regards to market cap. But that's sick to see Bitcoin over 2 trillion again. Ethereum is almost to $500 billion market cap. That's pretty sick to see too. Tether flipped XRP. Okay. Let me refresh because last time it literally flipped back. Okay. Tether is now in number 3 spot. XRP was in the number 3. Tether is now in the number 3 spot at 136 billion. XRP is at 134 billion. And Solana is still sitting at 114 billion. So Solana's been kind of stagnant this week in regards to its market cap and price. Pretty boring. But Solana's, I really want Solana to flip XRP again. And then I want it to flip USDT. I want Solana back at number 4, and then I want it to get number 3. That'd be amazing to see Solana at top 3. I am happy though for XRP though, looking great. Now let's look at dominance. We are still in altcoin season, if I'm correct. Wait, where was that at? Where was it? Here? No, where's my dominance? Here it is. We are still in altcoin season at 85 out of 100, which puts us in altcoin season, which Bitcoin dominance is at 54%, with altcoins at 32.5% of market dominance. So I'm very excited for that, which is why we're seeing HBAR, XRP, SUI, and all these other coins like Solana, Ethereum absolutely ripping because it's altcoin season, and those are altcoins. Anything basically other than Bitcoin and Ethereum is an altcoin. Ethereum technically is kind of considered an altcoin, but I don't really consider Ethereum an altcoin. It's kind of its own category. Solana, XRP, SUI, HBAR, those are altcoins. Pepe, Sheep, Doge, meme coins, those are in a different category. But yeah, altcoins are going to do very well right now. So that's the market as a whole. Everything's looking very good. So now let's go in to Bitcoin TA. Oh my gosh, look at Ethereum. I love it. I love opening that chart. Okay, we're going to look at Bitcoin. Up here, Solana, but I'm going to just look at Bitcoin right now. So let's look at weekly time frame and work our way down. So Bitcoin is breaking over our 0 line here on our weekly Fibonacci. Very happy with that. That's just confirmation. It's going to push higher. My first TP is up here, or my second TP, sorry, is up here at 116,955 Bitcoin, right? Or 116,695 Bitcoin. That is my second TP. I've already taken one at the 0 line. I'm taking another one up here at 116K Bitcoin. I think it can run up all the way to this -1, which puts it at 133. But I think for the month of December, we see Bitcoin go all the way to 140 plus Bitcoin. Why do I think that? Here's why. When this candle opened, which is the first week of December, my guess is December is going to print a 40+%. When we go to 40%, that puts us at $136,477 Bitcoin, right around the $136,000 Bitcoin. I think we're going to exceed 40%. So say we hit 45. That puts us at 141K Bitcoin. So I think we break anywhere from 130 to 140K Bitcoin this month. And then we'll have to reassess for January. But this month, I think we're going to see a great move with Bitcoin. And I'm very excited for that. From current price, right? We've seen 4%. If we saw a 36% return from current price, that puts us at $138,000 Bitcoin. Okay. So I think that's like programmed. We did the same thing last month. We predicted Bitcoin going to 100K. Now it was shy like $40, right? I'm not going to do it perfect, but it was shy $40. It almost hit 100K. Actually, I think it did hit 100K in November. Let me see. Did it hit 100K in November? When was November? Was that 100K? No, it didn't. It didn't hit it in November, but it was shy. Is it $200? It was shy $200. So I was pretty close. We called 100K Bitcoin for the month of November. It hit $99,800. I'd say that's a pretty good prediction. So I'm guessing for December, we're hitting 130, 133, 135 to 140, 145. Right in between. That's a solid range, but I think we're doing that this month. If I had to be precise, I'd say maybe 138. 138 would be like the precise. We're gonna hit that because that puts us like right at 40% return. But yeah, as you can see, Bitcoin on the day time frame making great structure, making higher highs and higher lows. I'm very happy with it. Yesterday's candle was very volatile, which to me shows when there's unprediction, like you go to the 4-hour, right? See this abnormal wick candle? If you look at the 4-hour candle for Bitcoin, you never see candles like that. You never see a candle with like a massive wick out of nowhere like that. See, I don't see one. I haven't seen one yet with a weird wick like that. So to me, when there's an abnormality like that, and then it pushes all the way back up to the 50, that's manipulation. Okay. That's not structure. That was manipulation. And as you can see, Bitcoin right after the manipulation is pushing back and going to break these previous highs, which would put Bitcoin over $104,000. The previous all-time high here, 103,620, I think is 647. Yeah, so it puts us at over $103,600. So I'm very excited. Bitcoin's doing great. You can see our live position on the screen. You can see our position's doing great. Very happy with it. And I'm trying to hold this position for the entire month of December and trying to hold it to my target of 138 to 140K Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's looking great. Very, very, very happy with the way it's looking. EMA's crossed. EMAs are bullish. The 4-hour or the daily, right? Fib retracements looking great. Bouncing off the gold zone down here, pushing up further. EMA's looking very bullish. Price on the 4-hour. Price on the 4-hour is above VWAP. There's just confirmation after confirmation that Bitcoin is going to go and push higher. So very excited for that. All right. After that market, like complete look at the market. Wait, what time is it? All right, we still got 15 minutes until that new 4-hour candle. After that complete market look, let's check out ADA and let's check out SHIB like requested. I thought I had a chart already for it. Cardano. Okay, here's a Cardano one. And then we'll make a SHIB one after the Cardano. So let's look at Cardano first. We're gonna start from the weekly time frame and work our way up. Oh man, dude, look at Cardano. Cardano is looking actually very, very good. Wow. Great volume coming in on Cardano down here on the weekly. We're at the weekly time frame. We break out of this channel formation. It's looking good. Cardano's looking good. Let's go down to daily. It's looking good. Let me do a daily fib retracement real fast. This might get a little confusing for some of the viewers, but bear with me. Ooh, that's actually pretty solid. So fib retracement breakout. Price goes down in the gold daily time zone gold and pushing up with a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. Cardano is actually looking pretty good. I like it. Let me check 4 hour. Ooh. Ooh. And EMA cross on the previous 4 hour candle. Is that EMA cross or is it? Okay, no, they got really close. Ooh, Cardano's actually looking really good. Ideally, I would have entered on this candle, but I might actually just open up a Cardano position. We'll wait until this 4 hour candle closes. When this 4 hour candle closes, we'll open it up. It's in this little consolidation channel here too. I like it. Cardano's looking really good too. So Cardano, XRP, and HBAR. That's what we're looking at. We're probably gonna wait on XRP. XRP doesn't look good, but Cardano and HBAR looks like it's gonna present an entry opportunity. Yep, ADA Chainlink, yes. HBAR has a lot of fans. Yeah, dude, ADA is looking really good. ADA is looking actually really good. I'm gonna add this box here. Daily gold zone, and then this down here, we're gonna make a box for it too. This is the current weekly gold zone, but we haven't seen a red candle print on the weekly time frame yet for ADA. Okay, we got daily gold zone, weekly gold zone. Go back to the daily time frame. Yeah, dude, it's actually looking really good. Ideally, we would have entered in the gold zone on this red candle, but actually, no, I would not have entered on that candle. Dude, man, there literally is like, it's kind of overwhelming, but there's like so many opportunities right now in the market. That's the fun thing about the bull run. It's like, it almost like it makes it's easy mode for day trading. Yeah, I think I'm going to be entering a position on ADA too. So ADA, HBAR, and yeah, ADA and HBAR. I like it. We're going to watch it. If this candle closes like this, we're going to open one and probably put our stop loss down, go to the daytime frame, down to this swing low on this daily candle here, down there. Give us some good buffer. All right. We said Sheeb. HBAR has a lot of fans too. Yeah, HBAR does have a lot of good fans. Avalanche. Let's look at Sheeb real fast, and we'll look at Avalanche. I love your guys' suggestions right now. I don't have a Sheeb one. So let me load up a new chart, create a new layout. Yep. And then we're going to call it Sheeb. Shiba. And then open up a new tab. Shiba. We're going to do it from Shiba USDT. I would like Binance. I like Binance's chart usually. KuCoin's also pretty good. Might go KuCoin. We'll go KuCoin. All right. Shiba's looking good. It's looking like it's testing highs and might break out to, is this new all-time high? Nope. Previous all-time high is way over here at a lot of zeros, 88670. So this line Let's actually do this real fast. Go to weekly time frame. Yeah, let's do this. This white line is previous all-time highs. Here's also another key high on SHIB. So SHIB looks like it has a lot of movement. To be honest, I'm probably going to stay away from SHIB. It's a meme coin. It probably will run up, but I like to stick to more typical. Pepe's usually like, even Pepe's kind of out of my realm of what I usually trade. I probably won't be holding my Pepe much longer. I'll probably close it out once it has some pretty solid ROI. But I personally just don't love trading like SHIB, Doge, and Pepe. I like HBAR. I love trading that stuff. ADA, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, like the more L1s, like more main type of coins. I do really love trading that. SHIB though is a main coin. Not my favorite to trade, but does look really solid. Especially if you look at the weekly time frame, fib. Here, yeah, it's looking good. Looks like it bounced out of the gold zone on that candle wick. You go out into the daytime frame here. Let's zoom in nicely. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Looking really good. It looks like it's actually going to probably break out on this candle here. Let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, it has bullish structure, higher or lower low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. It's probably going to push up, make a new high here and break structure to go higher, which is looking good. Looking good. Next one was Avalanche. I'm just going to change this actual type. Let's just change it to stream requests. So any requests that you guys have, we'll use this chart to look at coins that you guys want. Avalanche. KuCoin. Let's do that one. Let's see Avalanche. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Ooh, oh, holy smokes, dude. Dude. Avalanche is looking pretty good too. You got this key high here. And then you got this peak over here. And then you got this peak up here. Oh, you could even put this peak too. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 peaks to break out for Avalanche, which puts it at current price. That could run up all the way to 179%, 180%. So that Avalanche has a lot of good potential here on its chart. I really like Avalanche as a chart. Looks great. Looks like it's got a lot of room, but it is kind of pumped right now. And you might want to wait for some correction before entry. These are beautiful though. Look at this like staircase. Boom, consolidation. Boom, consolidation. Boom, consolidation. It's like a rhythm, right? It's predictable. Kind of makes it easier to trade when it's predictable like this. Hit the gold zone, bouncing out. Avalanche is looking pretty good. Go to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's looking actually really good. I bet if we put EMAs on the screen, it'll probably... let's put EMAs on the screen real fast. Okay. Yeah, we'll just put those. Let me add my EMAs real quick. Okay. One. Let's go back. Okay, and then 50. All right, EMAs are looking really good. They're looking bullish. As you can see here, lower high made. Probably gonna make a lot higher high here. 4 hours looking good on Avalanche. Avalanche would be one I'd actually consider putting an entry on too. I just don't know much about this one. But it looks like it has a lot of potential to run, especially if you look at the daily and weekly time frames. Like, yeah, it looks pretty good. And how consistent is the breakout consolidation, breakout consolidation, breakout consolidation, probably going to break out again. Let's look at historically for Avalanche real quick. Let's look at 2020. Where's 2020? Oh, H-bar wasn't even around in 2020. Wow. Let's see EMAs too on H-bar. Ooh, they like recently crossed too on H-bar. Not super recent. We're 3 weeks behind, but H-bar or Avalanche is looking good here. I'd be interested to see what does H-bar do once it taps this high. Would it have a volatility? I'd probably have a TP here. See what it does. See if it drops down. But Avalanche is looking good. LCP? I don't know what LCP is. What is LCP? Is LCP a crypto? Let me see. LCP. What do I... LCP. Oh, ICP. I don't look... ICP. What is ICP? Is that a stock? That's a stock, right? ICP US... Is it a crypto? I don't recognize that. Is it this? ICP Tether US? Sorry, I just don't recognize that. Check Nosana, please. Go Chale. All right. No, Nosana. Is that a cryptocurrency? It's crypto? Okay. I'll do this Binance one for ICP. I don't know what this is. I've never heard of this. Wow. Okay, so first off the bat, what I see with ICP, what would you take? AVAX or ADA? To be honest, I'd probably take ADA over AVAX. ADA is a way more popular in regards to mainstream investors and even crypto enthusiasts, and has a strong community. So I'd probably take ADA over AVAX personally. Internet computer is icon. Okay. So one thing I first see right off the bat for ICP weekly time frame, EMA's like just crossed, right? We're 1 week off. This would have been the ideal entry. But this is honestly probably not too bad. You got a high here that it's going to race towards, right? It's going to run up to that high for sure. And then you got a lot of peaks over here. Oh, this doesn't look great for ICP. Yikes. That chart is not great. But also it looks like it was born in the bear run, so understandable. But you have a lot of these peaks over to the left, and then you have this. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Dude. Look at this wick. That's a weird wick. That's a weird wick. Is this a meme coin? This is like a meme coin wick. The peak of this is $2,831, and it's currently sitting at $15. It did dump. It dumped from 2K to the low on this candle is $205. That's a massive swing. Is this a meme coin? So undervalued for yeah, I mean, I don't know. When was it born? It was born in 2021, May 2021. So I was kind of like, was that bear market? Let me see real fast on Bitcoin. 2021. Was that bear market? I can't remember. I think it was. Yeah, it's like right when bear market was kicking off. Or no, it wasn't. It went bear market, then pumped to new all-time highs for Bitcoin, and then dumped. That is, I don't know. Personally, I don't like the look of that coin. Now, oh my gosh. Now, the thing that does look good about it are the EMAs, right? So if I zoom back out, like I was saying, the EMAs, but this chart looks concerning to me, to be honest with you. AI crypto, I've never heard of it. Now the EMAs looks bullish, price action looks bullish, but the chart itself looks concerning. I'd be careful with this one. That's what I would say. I personally would not be investing in this one. But if you look at like daytime frame, let's look. Yeah, it's looking good. Good structure. EMA is looking strong. Let's look at 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it looks good. Respecting the 21 really nicely. Pushes off. Looks like it might be making a high here. But I just say be careful. I'd be careful with ICP. Number 2 AI crypto in the world. Okay, I never heard of it. Never heard of it. But the reason why I say be careful, because that chart looks, that dump means that someone used everyone as exit liquidity. I mean, just look at that massive wick and then just red. So that's the reason why I say be careful. It looks a little risky. No sauna. Let's check no sauna. That was another request. Oh wait, what time is it? Oh, okay. Sorry, I gotta put a pause on this. We just got a new 4-hour candle. So let's go to 4-hour on XRP. Okay. XRP is not looking like it's giving us an opportunity yet. Looks like maybe it's the next 4-hour candle. But for XRP, we're going to put a hold on an entry for XRP. I think it's going to happen next 4-hour candle. H-bar. Oh my gosh. Yep. All right, I'm going to enter a position on H-bar. Okay. Now I'm going to not put a huge position here, but I am going to add to my position on, or open a position. I do not have a current position on H-bar. Let's add H-bar. We're at, okay. What is H-bar valued at? Let's do USD. Let's do, okay. And then let's go to daytime frame. And this is where I'm gonna put my stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss at these lows here. Can you guys see this? Yeah. Putting my stop loss at this red candle low. And then let's see how much that risk. Okay, I'm gonna add to this because I'm willing to risk a little more. All right, there we go. Okay, and then I'm also want to go to the daytime frame and then put a fib retracement real quick, and then that'll tell me where I'm gonna put my stop losses or TPs at. Sorry. So my first TP is gonna be at the 0 line. %. And then third and fourth TP will be at the 50 and 61. This is how easy BLOFIN is. Everything you're seeing right now is BLOFIN exchange, my favorite crypto exchange. Link in bio if you want to sign up and use it. But I love BLOFIN. They do great events that reward you for day trading. But yeah, these are all my TPs. The 0 line is my next TP, which is previous high over here to the left. But yeah, I'm excited for H-bar. I think it's gonna be great. Let me TPs over here, or our P&L over here, so you guys can see everything. There you go. But yeah, excited for HBAR. Now remember, this isn't financial advice. I do this as educational. Now, if you follow, that's your own choice. Do it at your own risk. But I do it to show you guys how I trade, right? The things I look for, the things I wait for in order to make a trade, and so on and so forth. Like for me, I waited for that 4-hour massive bullish engulfing candle and a pop out of the daily gold zone. All key factors for me. And so if you ever want in the future try to make good educational decisions on your trades, this is something you can do in the future. And I do this for learning, not for you to copy trade me. Okay, that's not my goal here on the stream. You do that, that's on your own risk. Don't follow me for financial advice. I do plan on having copy trading available in January. So BLOFIN, if you want to do copy trading, make a BLOFIN account, and they actually have copy trading where you can copy trade me. So I'm planning on having that available hopefully January 2025 or Q1 2025. Goal is January though. All right, HBAR's open. Now we also talked about was it ADA? ADA, we were looking at ADA. Let's go to 4-hour ADA. Yeah, I think I'm going to open up a position 2 with ADA. Daytime frame. Yeah, I'm going to do it on this. Yep. Okay, let's do an ADA position 2. I like it. HBAR. Let's go here to ADA. And all these coins are on BLOFIN. So if you're wondering, like, how the heck is he able to invest in these? I use BLOFIN. More leverage. Okay. Okay, and then stop loss down at these. I'm gonna put my 81 a little bit further because I kind of want to hold it for a good while. So I'm gonna put it actually at this daily time frame fib retracement low, because I really just want to give it buffer. HBAR, I don't want to take as much risk. ADA, I'm willing to do a little bit more risk here. So for me, I'm putting at a very swing low. Yeah. And then on this daily time frame, let's add some TPs. We're going to do TP1 at the 0 line. This is how you do profit management, okay? You should always have profit management. Never, ever, ever just hold the position without profit management. I think that's one of the biggest mistakes traders do, is they do not manage their profits. They just hold and hope it keeps going up and up and up to some random target that they have. But you need to have targets. You need to have entry targets. You need to have all of that ready to go so you are able to secure profits and be a smart trader. You don't want to just open up positions just to open up positions. All right, there we go. ADA is in too. So we got quite a bit of positions open now. I think the last one I'll do is XRP, but I think I'm about done opening up positions. That's quite a bit to open up and have. Oh, come on. All right, there we go. Let's fix this. I'm only willing to open up one more during this bull run. Sorry, I see that there's chats going on, but I'm just trying to do this real quick, and I don't want to get distracted because I hate getting distracted when I'm opening your trades and stuff. It just makes me a little nervous. I just want to be able to pay attention. But don't worry, I see that you guys are chatting, and I'll get back to you guys very soon. Just doing this real quick. So XRP will be the last one I open, and it'll probably be in 4 hours when these EMAs cross, and that's when I'll open my position. And XRP, I'm also going to keep my stop loss pretty tight and probably put it at this 4-hour low here, because I think XRP is pretty volatile. It can be very, 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 very volatile. So I like to keep my risk very low on XRP. All right, so now that those are open, let's get back to some chats because I see people are chatting. Thoughts on Chainlink? Tao, please and thank you. Check your YouTube chat. Shadow, I see you. I'm gonna check it right now. Double bottom on the 4-hour. Looks juicy on XRP. Hey Maniac, as a BLOFIN user, have you tried to remove margin from a trade? Last night, I accidentally swooped 100% of my bag into margin and BLOFIN wouldn't allow me to reduce the margin. Shadow, let me read this one more time. Let me see if I can help you out. Hey Maniac, as a BLOFIN user, have you ever tried to remove margin from a trade? Remove margin from a trade. Yeah. Yes, I have. Have you ever tried to remove margin from a trade? Last night, I accidentally swooped 100% of my bag into margin and BLOFIN wouldn't allow me to reduce the margin. Now, what I know, so with BLOFIN, what I know they won't allow you to do is, I know they won't allow you to shrink your leverage once a position is open, but the way I shrink my margin on BLOFIN is like this. Let me show you real fast. When I go into BLOFIN, the way I shrink my margin is like this. So see, all my positions are open right here. Okay. This says action, right? You go to your action tab on BLOFIN and then you'd put the amount you want to close out. So it could be 25%, 50%, you could do 10%. And that's how you would shrink your margin. But your leverage wise, you cannot trade. You cannot change once the position's open. So leverage wise, if like for my 20x Bitcoin, I can't shrink that once the position's open. If you want to change your leverage or completely change leverage and margin, you'd have to completely close that position and redo it. But if you want to shrink your margin, you would have to go here to action and take out some margin on that. That's how I know to do it on BLOFIN. I hope that was helpful. If that wasn't helpful, shoot me. I know you're in the Discord. Shoot it to me in the Discord. Then I'll reach out to the BLOFIN team and see if they can help even further. But yeah, that's how I know to shrink margin on BLOFIN. You use the action tab on your position and close percentages or a specific dollar amount on that position. That's how I know to do it. All right. I got some other requests. Let me know if that was helpful, Shadow. Next one is Costa Ricardo Crypto says soon Bitcoin will dump to 300. Will dump to 300K. It's time to degen into hot naked woman token. Okay. Right. That's closing portion of your trade. But you can add and reduce margin. Add and reduce margin. Maybe I'm missing the button. Oh, right here. This button right here. Reduce only. I think that's it. Or let's see. Let me see if I'm missing. It could be. No, there's an add margin feature. Shadow, I think it's this button right here. I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can't see it right now. Let me move this real quick. Let me move this real fast. Let me see if I can blow this up a little bit so you can see it. I'm gonna make this like super big. Do you see? Can you see that? What is going on here? Okay, I hope you can see this. Do you see this reduce only button here? I think that I think that reduces your margin or adds to your margin. I could be wrong, but that could be the button you're looking for. But I don't know. I've never done that. Once I add my margin, I kind of just leave it. I don't really add or take away. I know the feature you're looking for, though, because I know what you're talking about. But it could be this button right here, reduce only. And then it doesn't look like it. Yeah, it looks like it just adds to. Tools? What's tools? Trade. Reduce only. Margin, nothing. It doesn't allow me to do anything here. Yeah. I think it might be that button there. General chat? Okay, let me check. Oh shoot. It literally just wrecked my entire reset. There we go. Alright, I'll look at general chat right now, Shadow. Let me see. Oh, I don't have that button there. Oh, that's on. That's looks like it might be on mobile. Margin. Remove margin. Oh, did you find it? Did you find it? Word. Okay, word. Let me see. I don't see that button on mine. That you're showing on yours, the margin button. I don't. Mine doesn't show that. Let me add all my. Reverse, close, action. Yeah, it does not show that. Maybe this? Nope. Maybe this? Nope. Maybe this? This, I think. Yeah, I can't change that. Huh. Sorry, dude. Oh, it's because I'm cross. Maybe it's because if you're isolated, it works. That's why. I'm cross margin. Right? Cross margin. Yeah, I need to be isolated. Yeah, I don't do isolated. I just do cross, so it combines them all together. I think that's showing all my positions. Yeah, it's showing all my positions. All right, let's look at some of the. Someone else was asking for a coin. Soul Maniac, can you show us your dog? Yeah, I can show you my dog real fast. Come here, they want to see you. Come here, these fans want to see you. He might get all mad and hit my mic. Oh, here's my dog. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Say hi to everyone. Oh, this is my dog. His name's Copper. He's a great little animal. What did you talk about with drop? Sadly, what? Oh, okay. Hold up. Ah, he's stepping in the wrong area. All right. AIDS on fire. You said, what did you talk about with drop? I'll reach out to my affiliate manager. Okay, Shadows. Sorry. Oh, XRP? Next 4-hour candles probably going to give us our entry on XRP, Aid. Are you on my chart? So currently we're looking at XRP right here. So with XRP, see the EMAs? See how they're about to cross here? I'm waiting for them to cross, and then I'll open up my XRP position. I just opened up HBAR and an ADA position. They're looking pretty solid, but our XRP, we're not quite there on an entry, waiting for the EMAs to cross, and then I will enter. But also with XRP, I'm keeping tight risk management because I think XRP is very volatile and could like all of a sudden dump. So I'm gonna keep my risk ratio pretty tight and put my stop loss like at this low here on the 4-hour time frame. So XRP will probably be based off the 4-hour, not like a day or weekly time frame. That was kind of like my H bar position too. H bar is like, I think H bar I based it off the day time frame. Right? Yeah, 4-hour entry, and then we put it on the daily low here on this red candle. So we're gonna have our TPs be on the daily time frame, not weekly. Where ADA, our ADA position we just opened, we sniped the 4-hour entry, but then we're basing our TPs and stuff off the weekly time frame. Did it right? That should have been what it was for ADA. Maybe we did it off the daily time frame. We might have done it all based off the daily. I might go back and move my my TPs for ADA based on the weekly time frame because I want to hold ADA for quite some time. I think it's gonna run, and I think ADA is gonna do pretty good, especially with mainstream media starting to cover it and like normie investors really starting to jump in back into crypto. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, we have Tau. Alex Pro, you've been asking for Tau. Sorry. Let's look at Tau real fast. I know that one. Tau has been around for quite some time, hasn't it? Oh, no. Ooh. That's not a good wick on Tau either. I feel like Tau has been around longer than this. Am I wrong? I thought Tau has been around way longer. Is there I'm on Binance. Tau Spot. Tau BitTensor. Let me see KuCoin. Okay, that one got us to 2023. Oh, here we go. Yeah, there. That's better. This is to 2023. I feel like Tau has been around longer than that, but well, this is a better chart. So Tau's looking pretty, dude. There's got to be. I know Tau's been around longer than this. Is there a Bitstamp one? Oh, Kraken? No. Maybe Bitmark. Nope. Bybit? Nope. Alright, I think MEXC was actually the best one. Nope. Which one was it? Oh my gosh. I lost it. Oh, it was a BLOFIN one. Dang it. I lost it. Oh, wait. Why does it have a P on it? That's why. Alright, I guess we'll just look at this one. Tau best on Bird Eye. Launch from Radium. Okay. Maybe we'll look at it from Bird Eye. Let's look at it from Bird Eye. Oh. Is it this one? Nope. Launch from same one. It might be a different one, Shadow. BitTensor Tau. BitTensor Tau. Let me look it up on here again. Tensor. Here we go. Here we go. No? Let me try again. Let me try again over here. Sorry. BitTensor Tau. All right, we'll do this one right here. The chart is on TradingView. Okay, I'm on the MEXC one. This one looks the best so far. Okay, weekly time frame. Looks like you might have missed the opportunity for entry. Right here. If you look at this. This would have been the ideal. This green candle here would have been the entry for me. Or this candle with the EMA cross. This would have been what I would have wanted done. Right now, I would probably wait for a correction on Tau. Now, if you go to day time frame, it looks like you missed the entry there too. Entry for Tau for me would have been here. Like right about there. This entry, green candle, enter, boom. Yeah, that. But it's looking good. It's looking good. It has very good bullish structure. Really, really, really good bullish structure. I like what it's showing. Yeah, 4 hours looking like it might have start some correction. So I would maybe wait for like some downtrend like this, EMAs to cross, then enter for a 4 hour if you're not in a position. But yeah, Tau's looking good. It does though look like it doesn't have much room to go. Like in regards to previous highs, right? So in price discovery, you never know what price could do, right? It could fall or it could keep going. Okay, we got a lot of chats over here too. Yo, good morning. Good morning, the Rug Life. I hope you're having a great day. Why is EMA cross so pertinent to you? The EMA crossing is so pertinent to me because for me, it's the exponential moving average over the 9 days and then 21 days. And so when they cross, what I find, like let's go to Bitcoin as one. If you look historically, like let's go to the daytime frame because it'll happen more often. And let's go to a place that doesn't have all my drawings real quick. So right here, we got a bear market and a bull market, right? So bear market, when EMAs cross the 9 and 21, let me zoom in. Historically, when those 9 and 21 cross, you see big downward movement on higher time frames. When you see them cross in a bullish divergence, you see big moves, right? Sometimes in the consolidation, they have smaller moves, but that's consolidation. You need to be careful. But when the market is clear, the market is clearly bullish or clearly bearish, right? So here, clearly bearish, I'd want to be taking shorts. So here, you take a big short, massive move down, keeps going, keeps going. Now, when the market clearly starts going bullish, which is right here, you get that EMA cross after a long time of consolidation. EMA cross, bullish move, bullish moves, just keeps going, consolidation, right? You have a lot of entry opportunities, a lot of consolidation here, and then big EMA crosses again on the daytime frame, big EMA cross, and then big bullish move, right? So these EMA crossings throughout history or charts indicates that when they have a divergence, either bullish or bearish, when the trend is bullish or bearish, it indicates the price is going to jump and move in that direction heavily. So for me, bearish divergences in our current market, because we're in a current bullish market, Bearish divergences don't really matter to me. That shows for me that there's going to be an entry opportunity for a bullish divergence and a long position. So when I see bullish divergences happening on the 4-hour and day time frame, that is entry and holding for long bullish moves. So if we go to current day, right? We entered over here. This is about where's election day? Election day here, but if you go to the 4-hour time frame, oh gosh, where's November? Right here. Election day, we had EMA cross. We entered on the EMA. Look what happened. Boom. Absolutely ripped, right? Kept going, kept going, kept going, kept going, kept going, kept going. This could have been a take profit area when it crossed bearish. Take profit. Wait. Enter in another position. Bearish, bullish engulfing candle. Enter in a position. Hold, and keep holding until we get a bearish divergence and you take profit. So EMAs for me are indicator, especially when it's a current market. I base them off the market, right? And so for me, that's just an indicator I use. I really like them. I hope that made sense. So if the market is clearly bullish, you wait for bullish EMA crossings to make a position. If the market is bearish, you wait for bearish divergences to make a position. And then you have the position be based off the market. So then you're going with the market, not against the market. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. And then when a weekly time frame, when the weekly time frame gets a bearish divergence on the EMAs, that's potential indication for me that, okay, the bull run might be over now. Now the bull run we might be shifting to a bear market, right? So if you look over here, when we had a previous bull run, weekly EMAs crossed in a bearish divergence, we had a strong bearish move. One final push, they cross again. Now we're in a bear market. Okay. So on the weekly time frame, when the EMAs cross, to me that shows we're in a new market, bearish or bullish, whichever way it crosses. Have you heard of Blast? I'm just now looking into it. Yes, I have heard of Blast. What's up, Fair Value guy? I have heard of Blast. Not a huge fan of it. It's a newer chain. But yeah, I know it had a run up on like meme coins and stuff, but I know there's a lot of big fans of it. Personally, I don't really care that much about Blast. It could present a big opportunity though for this market. A Rug Life said, "Thanks, sir. Let's go. Good to see you, brother. Any opinion on JUP price action?" Ooh, let's look at. I haven't looked at JUP in a while. JUP is honestly pretty boring when it comes to price movement. Oh wait, why did I close that? Jupe, where you at? AIDS, let me know if that made sense for the EMAs and why I like them so much. It's mainly because historically they show that a big move is coming on 4-hour day time frame and weekly. So that's why I like the EMAs. And they're not the SMAs, they're EMAs, moving average exponential. Okay, EMA, not SMA, not SMMA, EMA. Yeah, there's a lot of different EMAs, like moving averages. This one I use is the EMA, and I use the 9, the 21, and the 50. If you want to use them, go ahead, use them too. The indicator is this one right here. Moving average exponential, or if you just type in EMA, don't use any of these. Just use the main one that pops up, the trading view one. Don't use double or triple or average ribbon. EMA, the moving average exponential. That's the one I use. Yes, does it matter if the 9 is on top or bottom or just then them crossing? So that's a good question. If the 9, okay, let's do a little drawing real fast so I can explain this. Let's get into like a blank portion of the screen. Okay, I'm gonna do a little drawing. So this yellow line is the 9 and this line is the 21. Okay, we're gonna make this one orange. Okay, or actually we're gonna make it just like my real lines. Okay. My 9 EMA is red. My 21 is orange. Okay. If the 9, let me do text just so you have it. 9 EMA. And we're make the text red. And then let's do this.
We are the original freedom fighter.
21 EMA. Okay, this is bear trend. Now, if it's opposite, right? If you have, oh, sorry, let me just get this real fast. Control C, Control V, so I can explain this. Okay, so, and I could even add, let's add one more. Let's add one more here. Okay, this is my last one I'm adding. Okay, so if the 9 and the 21 look like this, you have a bear trend, okay? If the 9 and the 21 look like this, you have a bull trend. Now, okay, let me do this. If the 9 and the 21 and the 50 look like this, you have a strong bull trend. If the 9, 21, and 50 look like this, you have a strong bear trend. But now say the 50 is over here. This could be a bear trend that's in a smaller time frame, right? So these could still, technically still be a bull trend, but this is a bear trend in a smaller time frame. So like if a 4 hour looked like this, that means we're probably gonna have a little bit of a dip, but once price comes down to the 50, it's gonna move back up. So price will then move up, and then you're gonna want the EMAs to go back to looking like this for the bull trend to continue. Now, if the EMA, the 50 EMA is this way, this is most likely still a bear trend. Okay? So this, now it's opposite. This might be a little confusing. So this to me now indicates it's a bull trend, but we have a micro bear trend that's going to present an entry opportunity to continue on the bear trend. Now, when this one, right? This is a bear trend. When the 50 is above the 9 and the 21, that's a bear trend. And it shows me now that in the micro, we have a micro bull trend that could present an entry opportunity for a short. Okay, so I'm trying to think how to best explain this, like how to teach this real fast. And so what does that look like on a chart, right? Let's look at what that looks like on a chart. Now you know the colors, you know what they look like and all that stuff. So on a chart, it might look like this. Okay, on a chart, it might look like this. You have, let's see what color we got. 50 EMA. Actually, let's do this. So in our current trend line, you would see price coming down like this, making a U. Okay, you got the 50 EMA would probably be here. Wait, in a bear trend, it'd be, yep, 9 EMA. Wait, sorry, I'm trying to remember what it looks like. This would be the 9. This would be the 50 or 21. Okay. It's 21. And then this would be the 50. Okay. So this look, say we're looking at a, that real fast. Say we are on the weekly time frame. Okay. This is bull run confirmation. Okay. This is bull run confirmation. We are now entering a strong bull run. 9, 21, and the 50 are all, the 9 is above the 21, the 21 is above the 50. Strong bull run indication. This, when the 50 is above the 21 and the 21 is above the 9, strong bear run confirmation. Okay. Okay. So this over here, right? Bear market. And this over here. This is what they look like. Okay. Nines are below. Bull market is when the 9 is on top, 50 is on the bottom, 21's in the middle. Okay. So now say if this is a bull market, right? Bull market continues on. We're moving up. But say in a shorter time frame, say now we're looking at the daily time frame. And all of a sudden in the daily time frame, you have the 9 make a little bit of a down and then an up, right? They get really tight. So this is the 9. And then you have the 50 that continues up, but then maybe they cross in a little bit of bearish, but then continue back on, right? And then move forward. You could have it happen like this, where in a small time frame, it goes bearish, but doesn't mean the market sentiment has changed. To me, this shows this is entry opportunity right here. So if you had a position down here, you held, took profit up here, you wait, enter again on a position, hold up longer. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So you can have the 9 and the 21 change, but as long as they don't go below the 50, because then that's confirmation of strong bear trend. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That's why I like the EMAs. They give good indicator, and yeah, I like them. I hope that was helpful. I use them on all my charts. It's really like the only indicator I use. And I also use the tool, the Fibonacci retracement, and they're my favorite. They're my favorite. So let me delete all this stuff. I hope that was, I tried to explain that good or well. Let me know if that was helpful or not. Yes, thank you. Perfect. Good. Yeah, and then the act of it crossing is confirmation on your entry. That's like when it crosses, that's when you know you can make an entry. Because the cross is confirmation that it's divergence. And you need to wait for the candle to close, because if they cross and the candle's still open, the candle can change and it go back out from being crossed. So you have to wait for the candle to close and it close on a cross, and then you enter your position. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. All right, guys, what's our time? Okay, we've been going for 2 hours now. I think I'm gonna have to call it. But guys, we entered in 2 new positions. Let's look at XRP real fast. I just want to check in on it and see how it's looking. Yeah, XRP is looking pretty good. I'm very happy with XRP. I'm very happy with the way it looks. And again, just for my example, right? 50 EMA is right here. Let's make it a little thicker so you can see it better. This is a great example, actually. This is a live example of why I would make a position here. On the 4-hour time frame, right? A smaller time frame than the weekly, because the weekly time frame lets us know what is the market sentiment, which is clearly bullish. It's clearly bullish. So on a smaller time frame, the EMAs have crossed, but the 50 is still way down here. We're still in a bull trend, right? So this shows, okay, bearish. Now let's wait for the EMA cross, which shows our entry opportunity. We hold, we put stop loss at previous lows, and we watch it just scream up from here. Same for daytime frame. Daytime frame, it's less likely for EMAs to cross. They usually stay pretty bullish. But let's see if we can find an example. I don't know if we will. Oh, I guess there is one right here. So XRP here on the daytime frame, right? EMAs cross, bullish here. Hold, hold, hold. EMAs cross, bearish. Then they cross back. Entry opportunity on daytime frame. Price actually continued down. So that is actually would have been an indication here to go. Oh, well, I guess the market sentiment though on here is bearish. So I would not have done that. The market sentiment is bearish. So I would not have probably done that. I would have done here and then take profits. Yeah, market sentiment on this is bearish. Yeah, oh yeah. This is a bullish market over here. Let's go over here. It does happen on the daily time frame though. This is a bull market. So as you can see, oh, here's a good example. Bull market confirmed, right? Bull market confirmed. EMAs cross. They cross here on a micro bear trend and then cross back, respecting the 50, cross back, and then bull run continues on. That's a good example on XRP. So, yeah. But once the EMAs cross on the 4-hour time frame for XRP, I will be entering a position on XRP. But I think it's going to happen in probably the next 4 to 8 hours. But I think we will get it. Hopefully I'll be able to. I have an alert on here. So if you're looking at entering on here, I recommend downloading the TradingView app. If you want, pay for the pro versions. I do. I like the pro versions. And you can add an alert that lets you know when the EMAs cross, and you can literally just open up your BLOFIN account because they have a mobile app and then open up your position right there. So that's why I like BLOFIN and TradingView, because I can literally do it all on my phone on the go. That's what makes it really nice. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys this morning. Honestly, market is still looking very good. Market's still looking very bullish. I mean, their stream is very bullish. We got 75 viewers right now. I love it. Thank you guys so much for being in here. Let me fix my P&L here on this screen because you can't see everything. There we go. I guess we can just we'll make it a little smaller. Okay. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for being in this stream. It means the world to have you guys support, watching, liking, commenting, all this stuff, chatting with me. It really means a lot. Mike Odo, sorry about not getting to FET, but I'm gonna have to call it today. I don't actually know what FET is. I think I've heard of it, but I actually don't know what it is. Oh, have you heard of Oh, no, I already answered that question. But yeah, guys, we've been going for 2 hours. Literally in about 60 seconds we'll be at 10 seconds we'll be at 2 hours. And it's been great. I mean, on our stream, on some of it, we've gotten over 1,200 likes. We've gotten over 70 viewers live, and I just want to say thank you. Oh, that reminds me. make sure you go take part in our giveaway. We're giving away our Ledger Flex, $70 in Bitcoin, and a Soul Maniac gift box. So if you want to take part in that, let me share my screen real fast just before we close so you guys can all see. It's really easy what you have to do. Oh, Amir, I just saw you subscribed, and so did Go Charlie. Thank you guys for the subs. If you want to take part in a giveaway that's going on right now, here's what you got to do. Go to my YouTube channel. Okay. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to this video, the grass video that just was posted yesterday. This grass video, the free Solana airdrop that can make you thousands. Go to that video, click on it, like the video, and then comment any relevant comment on the video. Okay, so as you can see, there's other people who have made comments here. Comment on here, and then that will enter you into the giveaway. And we will announce it next Thursday on our live stream. Okay, so you got 1 week. 1 week to do this. But you just got to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the grass video, comment on the grass video. That's it. And that gets you entered. But yeah. This is also the first time we ever did an educational video like this. And so give us some feedback. Let us know if you like this kind of educational content. It's like where we're going out and about, and we're not streaming it at a desk. We're actually out streaming it. So or recording it and making the content. So let us know. Give us some feedback if you like that kind of content and if it was enjoyable for you. But yeah, if you can too, watch the video to the end. That also really helps us. Really helps us a lot. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for being in the stream. I hope you guys all have a great Friday. I mean, everyone loves a good Friday, right? Everyone loves Friday, and it's the weekend. And so I'm going to try to get some rest and try to feel better for next week because I'm not feeling great and before Christmas. Yeah, guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope that you guys learned something today. And I hope you guys are able to be more profitable traders every single day you watch our stream. So that's all I got. Guys, happy Friday and have a great rest of your weekend. And I will see you Monday. And we're going to switch the streams to 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? Monday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's when our next stream will be. All right. See you later.